great-grandpa was born in 1850. Told me many tales of olden days, of the lawless West and the highway he rode with. The time he just barely got away. Told me of a bank he robbed in Tucson, the girl with hair of gold and sky blue eyes, a voice that sounded like an angel, and a kiss that would make you lose your mind. Screaming out the words that I last heard her say. She said, run, Millie, run, don't let them catch you. You know the marshal's headed this way. She said, run, Millie, run, don't let them catch you. I'll meet you at the border when it's safe. Deep in my heart, could not have heard as much. And a few short years in prison would have spared me from these 80 years of hell without her touch. For 14 months I camped out on the border, and I thought about the awful things I'd done. The sentence I received was worse than prison. The woman that I loved would never come. I can hear her say, run, Millie, run, don't let them catch you. You know the marshal's headed this way. Run, Millie, run, don't let them catch you. There were many Georgia nights she spent alone, and I was running under your wheels down Lonely Road. I never stopped to consider that the biggest load of all was all on her. I came in from a trip from St. Paul, and I was ready for some loving and a bear. I came in through the but the echo of my voice was all I could hear. And with a lump as big as Texas in my throat, well, I found the note she had left laying by the phone. And it said, I've spent too many nights here all alone. And Lord, I feel it would be best if I were gone. So I'm running from a truck, a train in Georgia. No, yes, I'm looking for the girl I can't seem to find. I'm wishing we were there, back home in Georgia. There with all the love she left behind. I'm searching every car that I can find. No, Lord, I'm looking for the love I let slip away. In this Kentucky rain, I'll search till I find her. No, Lord, I'll find her if it takes the rest of my days. So I'm running from a truck, a train in Georgia. No, Lord, I'm looking for the girl I can't seem to find. I'm wishing we were there, back home in Georgia. There with all the love she left behind.